Sydney, the Australian market looks set to open higher after gains on Wall Street, where the S&P 500 index hit a record intraday high for the seventh time in July. At 6 a.m. on Monday, the share price index was up 17 points. At Tripoli, Libya's state oil company has welcomed the unconditional reopening of blockaded oil ports following a controversial deal between the UN-backed government and a force that controls key eastern terminals. São Paulo, Brazil's former president Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and the former chief executive of investment bank Grupo BAN Pactual will stand trial for obstruction of justice. Documents from a federal court in Brasilia show. Bucharest, anti-graft prosecutors have arrested Romania's deputy central bank governor Bogdan Olten, saying they recharging him with accepting $1.48 million, €1 million, in 2008 to influence the government over a key appointment. Washington, the U.S. economy grew far less than expected in the second quarter as inventory investment fell for the first time in nearly 5 years, but a surge in consumer spending pointed to underlying strength. Washington, the wages and benefits paid to U.S. civilian workers rose at a steady pace in the second quarter compared with the first 3 months of the year, as income growth showed signs of slight acceleration. Irving, Texas, ExxonMobil Corporation, SUM, has reported second quarter profit of $2.27 billion, US, $7 billion. New York, US oil supermajor Chevron Corporation has posted a net loss of $2 billion, US, $5 billion, or US, 78 per share, for the second quarter, compared with earnings of $1 million for the same period in 2015. London, the board of British brewer SABMiller, which makes 150 different beers including Peroni, Bulmers, Castle Lager and Foster's, will recommend its shareholders approve a sweetened takeover offer by Belgian-Brazilian company Anheuser-Busch InBev, the maker of beers including Budweiser and Beck's. The deal comes after a week of high drama about the fate of the consumer industry's biggest ever merger.